the 1000M airlift. Had it for 3 years now. No problems at all. Zero. Works great. Lifts up my Road King. We put Ultra Glide on here. No problem. 1,000-pound bike. Over the period of 3 years, added the sides to it for 30 bucks. Built a little ramp because it was bottoming out up the ramp. You were catching, you can probably see where my foot's at, scratches and gouges. Lower bikes tend to catch when you're going up. Built a little 18-inch ramp to add onto that, and no problem at all. Roll them right up on there. I'll catch them. Thing that I do like, does have a tire clamp in the front, tire vise. Eye bolts put on for tying it down. Keep it balanced when you're wrenching. 125-pound air tank. No problem at all. Straight up. Now that's empty, of course. You have your safety, and you've got several positions you can set it at. So if we count them, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. All depending on what you're doing is how high you want to raise it. If I'm going to change the back wheel, I want it all the way up. If I'm going to be working on the timing, about the third position is good. I can sit in a chair and it's right there in front of me. Anyways, this is the 1000M. They sell for anywhere between $600 and $650, depending where you order one from. Believe it or not, the competition, the Red Lines, have a table exactly like this. And it's over $1,000. Does the same thing. I can't say it's made by the same company because I'm not sure, but they are identical, right to a T. Same hole patterns, drop-out tray for the back tire, everything. I was going to get a Harbor Freight, and after looking at the Harbor Freight and thinking, oh man, that's quite wobbly, plus you got to pump it up. And several videos, I counted the pumps on a Harbor Freight. Over 100 pumps. Well, my old body don't take 100 pumps on a hydraulic pump anymore, so I settled for this. For $300 more, plus another $200 for shipping and handling, I had delivered right to the shop. Anyways, if anybody's interested in one of these, I'm going to leave a link. But 3 years, no problems. A little noisy coming down.